How to hide Instagram following and followers list. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile at bottom right, then click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply scroll to for professional. Click on business tools and then click on switch account type at the bottom, and then switch your account to personal account. After you've done that, simply go back. You'll find this kind of screen pop up after you go back. Simply click on your account type. As you can see, account privacy, click on account privacy and then turn on private account. After private account is turned on, until and unless you accept follow requests, people will not be able to see following and followers list. But you cannot simply hide from everyone. And this is how to hide